Hello and welcome to 172 Berkeley Ridge Drive, located here in Lake Carolina. This is a 6-bedroom, 3.5-bath home. Very beautiful home, 2-car garage, covered front porch, fully fenced in backyard and patio. Let's go take a look. All right, we are now in the backyard. Here's the patio right here, and here is the rest of the backyard. And also here is the back side of the home. And that door leads to the living room, which we'll get to that in one moment. And with that being said, let's go take a look inside the home. All right, we're now making our way to the front door. Before you get to the front door, you have your covered front porch right here. Pretty good size. Now let's go take a look inside. As soon as you come in the doorway, you have your hardwood floors right here that lead all the way to the kitchen. And it is hardwood in the kitchen and dining area right there. To the right, as soon as you come in, you have your formal living room. It is carpeted, and you have 2 windows right here on the other side of the covered front porch. Straight ahead, you have your formal dining area, and this is carpeted as well. And also you have your light right above there. We're going to make our way to the kitchen. You have your stainless steel appliances. As I mentioned before, your hardwood floors. Also granite countertops, dishwasher, gas stove, and also built-in microwave. Here you have your eating portion of the kitchen. Also with the light above right there, and also 2 windows that look out into the backyard, which we were at moments ago. And also you have your door that I mentioned that leads into the living room. And also you have your fireplace. And also 2 additional windows right here as well. And also you have your ceiling fan right there. This door is the pantry, and right next to it you have your laundry room to the right, your garage straight ahead, and your half bath located right here. Right across from the half bathroom, you have your laundry room. Pretty good sized laundry room. You have your shelving here and also here. And the garage. Here you have the garage and also a side door to go in and come out as well. All right, we're going to make our way back through the kitchen. And we're going to make a right and go down the hall. And this door is an additional closet. And also you have a thermostat on floor 1, 2, and 3. And also, if I'm not mistaken, in the master bedroom as well. Let's go take a look at the second floor. All right, we are now on the second floor. As soon as you come off the stairs, you have your linen closet right here. And also here is bedroom number 1. And it is carpeted upstairs. You have your ceiling fan right here, and also 2 windows that look out into the front yard of the neighborhood. And also you have your closet right here. Coming out of bedroom number 1, we're going to make a right. Straight ahead is bedroom number 2. It is carpeted in here as well. You have your closet right here, and also a window that looks out into the backyard of the home. Right next to bedroom number 2, you have bedroom number 3. Good sized bedroom here as well. You have your ceiling fan and 2 windows right here. And also your walk-in closet right there. Making a left from bedroom number 3, you have your first full bathroom. You have your single vanity sink right here. Also your toilet and tub and shower combo. Also you have your mirror, pretty good sized mirror and towel rack coming out of bathroom number 1. To the left, you have the master bedroom, which we'll save that for last. It has the beautiful French doors there as well. All right, let's take a look at the 3rd floor. All right, we're now upstairs on the 3rd floor. As soon as you come in, you have a bonus area right here in the middle. And then you have your bathroom that's located up here as well, and it has 2 bedrooms up here. Same style as the bathroom that we've seen previously. Same style, single vanity, tub, and shower right here. And you have your toilet. Here is bedroom number 4. And it is carpeted in here as well, pretty good size. And also you have your ceiling fan right here. And also both of those doors are closets. Making our way back through here, we're going to look at bedroom number 5. Same style. Also pretty large in here as well. You have your ceiling fan. And also you have your window right here. And then you have your 2 closets right there. We're going to make our way back downstairs. And we're going to take a look at the master bedroom. All right, we are now at the master bedroom. You have your French doors right here upon entry, and you have a very large master bedroom. Also, your ceiling fan is right there. It is carpeted in here. And also you have 2 windows that look out into the front of the neighborhood as well. Very nice view. And also you have a balcony right there. All right. Pretty good size. And straight ahead you have your master bathroom. Very nice bathroom. Also has 2 walk-in closets as well. As soon as you come in, you have a door to the left, which is walk-in closet number 1. And Right next to that, you have walk-in closet number 2. Right here you have your toilet area. And also you have your stand-up shower. Also the double vanity sinks. Very large mirror. And also you have your lighting above it. And also your garden tub with a pretty nice sized window right here. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. Home is 172 Berkeley Ridge Drive, located here in Lake Carolina. 6-bedroom home, 3.5 baths. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. Again, that's turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.